these blueberry muffins I'm going to be showing you how to make today are going to stand out from all the other recipes you've ever tried. I'm talking these muffins are pure perfection, and they're super tender and are literally bursting out with blueberries. So get your coffee ready because this is a quick and easy recipe. Let's get started. Start off by adding a cup of sugar and 2 eggs to a large mixing bowl. You're going to mix this either by hand or with your handheld mixer. Once it's all in there, slowly incorporate 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and 1/4 cup of room temperature butter. Once everything is nicely mixed in, go in with 3/4 cups of Greek yogurt. Remember that you could always substitute this with some sour cream, some room temperature cream cheese, or just some regular milk with a squeeze of lemon juice. Now for the last of the wet ingredients, add 1/4 cup of milk and some vanilla extract. Don't forget that this complete recipe is always listed down below in the description box. To finish this batter up, add your dry ingredients. We have 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, some baking soda, some baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Sift them in there, and so you won't be surprised with any lumps. While you're at it, go ahead and use a whisk just to be on the safe side. We want to mix this as little as possible, super delicately. Add your blueberries before all of that flour is fully mixed in, and this is what the batter is going to resemble. Place it to the side, and very quickly I'm going to show you how to make that crumble topping to these muffins. This is just 3 tablespoons of cold butter. You're going to cut it up into small cubes and add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of flour. Crumble it all up with your fork. You want to break that butter into all of the mixture and just make sure that it resembles this crumbly texture. To a small pot, add about 1 to 2 cups of blueberries. It could either be fresh or frozen. Depending on how much streusel topping you want, you can just adjust the blueberries to your liking. With 1 tablespoon of sugar, you're going to mix this up and cook it down on medium heat just until all the juices come out. Smash them up a little with your spatula, and once it resembles this heavenly consistency, go ahead and remove it from the heat and allow it to cool. It's now time to assemble these muffins. Go ahead and spoon or pipe the batter into 12 regular size muffin tins or about 8 jumbo size muffins. Fill the batter all the way to the top of the muffin tins, and you're gonna spoon all of that cold blueberry streusel topping that we made. You could swirl it in if you like, or put it in layers. You know what? You could also make this in 2 loaf pans if you wanted to make like a coffee cake style bread. Lastly, add that crumble topping. You're going to clean off the edges so it won't burn in the oven. And you're going to bake these for different times, whatever size muffin tins you use. These ones took about 40 minutes, or the regular size muffins are going to be around 20 minutes. Allow them to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before removing them from the pan. All of that gooey blueberryness that's just dripping all over the edges, it does firm up quite a bit once it cools into this gel-like texture. Oh my goodness, you guys. I had to give all of these away because, I mean, I could just sit down and eat all of them without any guilt whatsoever. They are just so tender and just different, you know? It's not like you're gonna go out to buy these at any store. I guarantee you won't find these at any bakery. If you guys like this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.